Welcome to the solvent extraction experiment. In this procedure, we will show how to separate a three-component mixture into its individual parts, an acid, a base, and a neutral substance. First, weigh 50 milligrams each of benzoic acid, ethyl 4-aminobenzoate, and 9-fluoronone. Place them in a capped 15 milliliter tube. In the hood, add 4 milliliters of diethyl ether using a graduated cylinder. Then, swirl to dissolve the solids. To separate the basic component, cool the solution from before in an ice bath. Using a syringe, add 2 milliliters of 3 molar hydrochloric acid while gently swirling. Cap the tube, mix it thoroughly, and vent carefully. Once the layers separate, use a filter pipette to remove the bottom aqueous layer and transfer it to a labeled 10 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. Repeat this step with another 2 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, combining both portions in the same flask. Cap the flask and save it for the next step. Now, isolate ethyl 4-aminobenzoate. Add 6 molar sodium hydroxide to the acidic aqueous solution until it turns alkaline to litmus paper. Cool the solution in an ice bath for 10 to 15 minutes. Collect the precipitate that forms using reduced pressure filtration with a Hirsch funnel. Wash the solid with 2 1 milliliter portions of distilled water, then air dry the crystals. Weigh the dried product and calculate the percent recovery. Finally, determine the melting point. Next, let's focus on the acidic component. Add 2 milliliters of 3 molar sodium hydroxide to the ether solution from earlier, ensuring the organic layer volume matches that of the aqueous layer. Let the layers separate, then transfer the bottom aqueous layer into another labeled 10 milliliter flask. Repeat that process and combine both aqueous portions in the same flask. Then cap it and set it aside. To extract the neutral component, wash the remaining ether solution with 2 1 milliliter portions of water. Separating them and temporarily saving the lower aqueous layers. Add 300 milligrams of anhydrous granular sodium sulfate to the wet ether solution to remove moisture. Cap this tube and let it sit while preparing the acidic component. For the benzoic acid, add 6 molar hydrochloric acid by drops to the alkaline aqueous solution until it turns acidic to litmus paper. Cool the solution in an ice bath for 10 minutes. Collect the benzoic acid precipitate using reduced pressure filtration with a Hirsch funnel. Wash the 2 milliliter portions of cold distilled water and dry the product. Weigh the dried acid, calculate percent recovery, and determine the melting point. Finally, isolate the neutral 9-fluorinone. Transfer the dried ether solution to a tared 10 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. Rinse the drying agent with 1 milliliter of ether and combine it with the organic phase. Concentrate the ether solution using a stream of gas from the hood. Once the solvent evaporates, weigh the remaining residue, calculate percent recovery, and melting point. Thank you for watching.